Hey there, sunshine. Here in my hands, I just got my September Ipsy glam bag, and you know what that means? We're gonna unbox it. That's exactly what it means. Ipsy glam bag. I don't know. I've been loving Ipsy recently, which is really weird because I used to not like Ipsy at all. I used to be like, yeah, this is not a fave subscription of mine. But I don't know. I've just been freaking obsessed with it recently. I don't know. It's like Boxycharm are going downhill. Ipsy is going uphill. It's like things are changing in the beauty industry, but Ipsy glam bag is $10 a month, soon to be $12 a month in each bag. Oh my God. Okay, sorry, I have to finish my sentence. In each bag, you get 4 to 5 products. Oh my God, okay, look at this. Look at this little, look at this. Look at the little gem. Oh my gosh. It's plastic, but still the aesthetic behind it, like just, this is the most beautiful Ipsy bag I've ever seen. Actually, besides the one from October last year, where they had the little bat on the bag. That was so freaking cute, but this is amazing. This is so cute. Okay, so I love Ipsy. I'm so excited to unbox this. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is this brush. I have never seen anything like this. This is the most like sophisticated brush I've ever held in my life. Am I even worthy of holding this? Okay, so it's got like nice curves, like 10 out of 10 Kim K figure on this brush. And then we have like a little place to like put our fingers to hold the brush right here. So this says it's a contour 218M, and then the bristles are dark blue. Yes, this is so beautiful, and it's super soft. I love Farrah, I think is how you pronounce the brand's name. I don't know. Brushes. I love the Ipsy Sundance brushes. Thank you so much. You're like the only subscription that does. That just got popped into my makeup collection. Okay, so let's see. I love Ipsy. Yes. Okay. I'm just gonna pull out this card. This one's theme is Find Your Light. That's so funny because that's what the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus's theme was. Do the themes always match up? Is this now just a pattern that I'm catching up on? Because I always get the Glam Bag Plus box first and then I get my regular Ipsy Glam Bag. So, is this a pattern that I'm now just noticing? Okay, so I'm so curious to see. It is Ultra freaking Cosmetics. Ooh, yes. Okay, so this is the Madison Miller Lip Gloss, which I got the highlighting and blush trio in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you have not checked out that video, go check that out. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay, it doesn't have a scent. Okay, so this lip gloss is seriously so freaking pretty. Yes! Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I like how it's really not sticky at all. Like packaging wise, this kind of reminds me of ColourPop, but this is such a pretty gloss. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's the second product, and that is a zinger. Okay, the next thing. Oh my gosh, how do they do this? I did not like Ipsy for the longest time. It's like they came out of nowhere and just blew me away. This is the Too Faced Cosmetics Damn Girl Eyelash. I mean, it's a mascara, not eyelashes. Okay, didn't this just come out? Like, I feel like this is a brand new product. So look at this look at the freaking packaging. That is so shiny. Oh my gosh. Oh, also look, I'm wearing a PlayStation hoodie. Like, isn't this cute? This is from Fashion Nova. Yes, I can't wait to show you guys this haul. I'm so excited. But look at this. This is so cute. That is a fat applicator. Yes, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm like blown away. The whole packaging for this is so cute. For shamelessly thick and curled lashes, 24-hour mascara. Yes. I don't really think there's anything else that could really like blow this bag away, but there's 2 more things in here. So let's see what else we got. Let's see. This is, oh my goodness. How do they do this? I'm not even like, I can't even tell you how freaking excited I am right now. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I love the Ulta version of this because that's supposed to be a dupe for this. The Ulta version is like $8 or $9. They're having a hard time keeping it in store. I can't believe that I have like the actual high-end luxury version here in my Ipsy bag. Like, yes. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I feel so rich with all of these beautiful products. Okay, so we got a little bit of skincare, but the whole bag isn't skincare. The whole bag's makeup, and that's exactly what I want. Okay, And then the last thing that I received is this Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer, shade Cymbeline. Okay, I'm always down for a good bronzer. That's not a product I've received enough of. Like, I feel like I just get a lovely balance of it from Ipsy. That's the only brand that sends it to me, but look how gorgeous that shade is. Like, that is totally gonna work for me, especially when I wear my darker foundations for more of a tan. But that is everything that I received in my September Ipsy glam bag. I am so stoked. Like, I literally, the only product that I didn't recognize was Lovecraft Beauty. I got like 3 high, I don't know if hair brushes are considered high-end, but I got 3 high-end, like, luxury, access to luxury brands. Holy crap. Like, oh my gosh, that's so freaking amazing. What did you guys think of the September Ipsy glam bag? Did you feel like I overhyped it? Do you feel like it was amazing? And what did you get in yours? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.